So what we're working on is just kind of a short little lunge, and all we're really trying to do is get Ranger to go the direction we want him to go when we point. So I'm not even using a lunge line. I'm just keeping my rope down here really nice and low. And what I want him to do is when I say whoa and bend over, turn and face me just like that. I'm going to point and move my stick just so he knows that that's the direction he's supposed to go. And he's doing really well. Now the problem is when he's going clockwise, he doesn't necessarily like to stop as much. So we're going to try that again. Good boy. I'm going to desensitize. Whoops. Well, he's feeling a little frisky. Moving around, so we're going to let him move around. Back and forth. Now, we're going to add an exercise to this. We're going to add a 180 over here on the fence, just so we can get him turning really well. So one way, see if I can get a couple cross steps. There we go. Point. Ask him to go. Move. See if I can get him to make a few side steps. Crossover, crossover. Good. Turn and face me. Whoa. Go to the other side. Move. See if I can get him side pass, side pass, side pass. Well, he's still backing up a little bit. That's okay. That's what we're working on. I just want him to move. Oh, that's much better right there. You have to move that front end. Keep him going forward. Forward. There you go. Back in. Whoa. Change direction. Ooh. Crossover, crossover. Oops. A little more pressure on the front, a little more pressure on the front. And he's starting to get the general idea. So we're going to do a little lunging in slow-mo and actually see what it looks like. I'm going to use it as a learning tool for me as well as a learning tool for everybody else. Oh, good boy. Well, thank you for watching today's video. Remember, if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and to watch more, click on the playlist.